Hello friends, we are back with our second part of the Indonesia Passport series. Friends, there are many places to visit in Indonesia, but the National Monument, which also known as Monas, is one of the most popular tourist attractions in Jakarta. In this video we will talk about the 26 countries where Indonesian passport holders can get visa on arrival. But before start guys, if you are new on our channel, so please subscribe our YouTube channel, press the bell icon and never miss any update. So let's start guys. Here are the names of 26 countries which provides visa on arrival facility to the Indonesian passport holders. Guys, in our next part 3 of Indonesia Passport series, we will talk about the 32 countries which provides e-visa facility to Indonesian passport holders. Friends, if you didn't watch the part 1 video of Indonesia Passport series, so you can find the link in description.